How to earn money every week through LiveGood affiliate. Nearly $10,000 in passive income. Even if you don't have any products, no website, no fans, you can start your LiveGood career with zero foundation. What is LiveGood Alliance? Just like Costco, Sam's, and Amazon, all belong to the membership subscription economy. Costco earns from membership fees every year, already reached $4.2 billion US. Sam's annual membership fee revenue is $18.9 billion United States dollars. Amazon has $40 billion. The same LiveGood Alliance also collects membership fees, provide customers with quality products, but the difference is Costco, Sam's, and Amazon. The membership fees they earn will not share a penny of profits with you, but LiveGood is different. It will share the benefits of the membership economy with you, because it is a membership economy. It's the internet again. It's the health industry again. There are three major outlets for wealth trends at the same time, are willing to share membership benefits with us. Share commissions together. What if you became a member of my team today? The people I recommend will also be placed on your team. It will also become part of your income. This is the Matrix Award of LiveGood Alliance. This bonus alone, you can receive up to $2,047 in monthly bonuses. That means you didn't do anything. You just joined the team. You will have the opportunity to earn affiliate commissions. The LiveGood Alliance has a total of 7 major awards, and the Matrix Award I just talked about, just one of its awards, and it's just a relatively low-income award. If you want to know more award content regarding membership benefits, I will tell you in detail later in the video. Now is an era of rapid development of self-media, the most profitable outlet. How to get through TikTok. Come and divert traffic to LiveGood for free. Also create a free, your automated transaction website. You can make money automatically through LiveGood if you are interested in today's content. Remember to watch the end of the video. I'll tell you step by step how to create automated transaction web pages and original videos. Make money with free traffic on TikTok. No need to promote products. You can automatically make money through the internet. Let's start today's topic sharing now. We come to Chat GPT. I asked him to write 10 topics on the topic of making money online, because I use it to make TikTok short videos. Let's take a look at Chat GPT. What kind of answer can it write for me? You can see that these are some topics about making money online. I just copy and paste these topics to create videos with one click. This topic is what is the best way to make money online in 2024. Next, we will copy this title, because I promote money-making related ads. So I'm going to create these videos on how to make money. We can come to the AI toolbox by find this directory where you can create videos with one click. Then we find this icon. This is the Clipwise AI website. Click to open this website. You need to register an account first. Here I used a Google account to log in. Very convenient. Then we just need to change the title just now. Paste Harakusa language. I chose English. Then I clicked to start creating some short videos. Here you need to be humorous or intense. Still an informative topic, because the requirement I do is informative content. You can see it here. What style of video is the chosen theme? I can turn the gears and choose the style that suits me. You can see some sketches above. Some are anime, Japanese anime, etc. All these styles are available. Which one do you like? If you want to make some animated novels, then this type is more suitable. There are many types here for you to choose from. I chose this one, which is more cinematic, more real. After choosing a style theme, then select this effect. You can choose according to your own situation. Here we can also click on more. I choose the first effect. Now is the background music. There are quite a lot of varieties of music here. I choose the first one. You can also give it a try. Then I can also click here to select more. Find more of these styles. You can listen to its effect one by one. Which type of video is more suitable for you? One advantage of this website is that it can also provide AI pronunciation. That is, it also generates AI pronunciation. You don't need to read the article yourself, so it already completely provides the materials needed for the video.
If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy can totally transform 1 million realities.
Not what we have, but what we enjoy constitutes our abundance.
I choose the third one. After choosing, select all our material content. Only one button is needed. In the next step, you can start generating videos. We also need to select a type of subtitles you choose. Do you want to display it in the middle or below? How do you choose the font of these words? Then choose its color. Red is selected here as the default. You can see over here. Some pictures have been generated, and you can also click to open these pictures. If you are not satisfied, we can also click to regenerate this picture. You can see these above. These pictures generated. It is indeed very relevant to my text content. So just click to create. Continue to the next step. If you are not satisfied with the picture, you can click this one to change it. Get another one. You can see that he regenerated one. Isn't it very convenient? Continue to generate next step. Start generating video. We just need to wait a few minutes. The video will be ready. That is to say, I only need to make videos around the content of making money. Many people look for money-making projects on TikTok. So we just need to search here. Can be seen. There are many people here, very interested in making money. You see, a video like this has 2 million views. This video has 22,000 views. So on TikTok, its traffic is very huge. If we can post the video to TikTok, the traffic is very powerful. Here you can see that the video has been created. We can download it. You can see there is a download button here. This video is something I can try out. How is the effect of this video?
Grind, yearning for passive income and the freedom to work from anywhere? Then buckle up, because we're about to explore the top 10 ways to make money online in 2024. From affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products, to creating and selling online courses, the possibilities are endless. Freelancing, whether it's writing, designing, or coding, is a popular choice for those with skills to offer. Building a successful YouTube channel or Twitch stream takes dedication, but can provide a steady income stream through advertising and sponsorships. Ebooks and digital products are a great way to monetize your expertise and reach a wider audience. Online tutoring and coaching is another booming industry, offering flexible hours and the potential to impact lives.
When posting this video, if you want more people to watch your video, need to pick up one before publishing. Such a picture. What you see is a screenshot of payment collection. Use the payment screenshot as the cover. This way you can get more traffic. Some people ask, where can I find this payment screenshot? If you are already a member of my team, please contact me. I will send you these payment diagrams. Here are a lot of screenshots of the earnings of upline leaders. That is, you can take these screenshots as a cover, then put it on the cover, or put it on top of your video through video editing. Put a screenshot like this at the beginning of the video. This way you can get very high traffic. In addition to income from membership, you can see Live Good members. It's also very cheap to buy health products, because when you become a member, you can compare. Product only $9.90. Other websites charge $17. The difference of $29 is huge. Therefore, the company does not force members to sell products. The high-quality products he provides are voluntarily consumed. Why can you make money even if you don't sell products? Because membership fees generate income cash flow. Most of the company's membership fees are distributed to members. Of course, if you can attract traffic through TikTok. In fact, you can also earn commissions through excellent products. Because now everyone pays attention to health, so we can pass. Ask a question in Chat GPT here. He was asked to write down 10 questions on topics related to nutrition and health. You can see the topics here. You can ask to write 10 or 20. You can find these topics through Chat GPT. Why these topics? Because the company's products are all healthy products. So we made the video. Also do some healthy types. Now we make some correlations. Very high video. Came to this website the same way. We just need to paste into this title. Paste here. This question is the best foods to boost immunity. Take a look at the video he made, because the health-related videos produced by this website are very effective. We also need to continue to choose a style. This time I saw this kind of 3D physical effect. See what the effect is. Choose the second effect. Next is to choose a. The first one is a calm piano piece. Let's choose the first one, which is more suitable. This time I will choose the pronunciation of a girl. Then go to the next step. I will choose the font to be displayed in the middle. I'll default to everything else. The generated pictures are indeed 3D effect. If you are still not satisfied with this picture, we still need. You can click it to regenerate it. So this picture, if you think it's acceptable, let's move on to the next step. Of course, this kind of 3D animation may address this type of health topic. Maybe this effect is still very ideal. We can come here, choose the one that looks like a movie and is more realistic. This is more suitable to try. For others, choose this option. After we make the changes, choose the middle. It shows here that there is a difference when you look at this picture. Take a look after generating, because I just chose a new theme. So these pictures still need to be regenerated. You can see that the generated pictures here become much more realistic. Compared with the effect just now, the effect is much better. Regenerated image. We can click next. Continue to generate this video. The advantage of this website is that you just need to provide a title. It can automatically generate short videos for you. So very convenient. We can play it. Take a look at the
Getting
effect.
sick? It's time to arm your immune system with nature's powerhouses. From citrus fruits bursting with vitamin C to leafy greens packed with antioxidants, there are foods that can help your body fight off infections and stay strong. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are your go-to for vitamin C, a key player in immune function. Berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are all packed with nutrients that support a strong immune system. By incorporating these immunity-boosting foods into your diet, you can give your body the tools it needs to stay healthy and strong.
After all your videos are done, all can be found on TikTok. Let's upload it. Click to upload. After uploading, looks like we need to join the Live Good affiliate link. We need to pass this link. We can't put another link directly in, because we want to embed it into the video description by using a short link. Because these videos automatically explain the bonus system of the Live Good Alliance and how to join Live Good video. I have already prepared these videos here on my network disk. These videos have been uploaded. You can share this link with me, then download these videos, then upload to YouTube. Next, you can create an account through the short link. Create a website like this. How to create it? We can use this short link, then create a login and create an account. After logging in, we choose. What you see here is the one created by the link. Click this link in BIOS. That is to create your own website. Click here. You can start creating your link. It's completely free. You'd better add your own Telegram link, because when you post a video to TikTok, that is where the traffic comes from. Return to this URL. Here you can see a URL. This URL is your website. That is to say, copy this URL to publish it. When you post a video, put this URL above your video description, past your link, came to your page. Just add these explanations. Live Good money making videos. This is the material in Chinese and English. I have prepared this video material. I can send it to you. Just post it to YouTube, then embed it here. That is, put your URL. You have a URL here on YouTube. Then copy this URL here. Then add the video here. Paste this video here. Then he will appear. Very simple. Embed this video in your URL. You just need to promote your website. After you register to become a member, you can see the pull down below the home page. Just copy this URL. We just need to copy this URL, then add it here. Register Live Good for free. This is done in both Chinese and English. This is what other countries' languages do. If you want to sell products, register as your member. Let's use this link. This link is, you just need to copy this link. You can click to open it and take a look. That is, when someone else registers through your link, you can become your member. Yours is filled in above. Fill in the name, then fill in your email address to register. It's very simple. That is to say, you have to put it on your URL. Add this link. Join here like me. It's very easy to join. Just need us to add the URL here. Fill in your website address. This is the URL of the member being advertised. Write title. The title just now. To write the title. Then upload your image. Add logo image. Below here is a subtitle. You don't have to write it down. Then we confirm. Just click create when your website is all ready. When publishing content on your self-media, just add a link like this. It is equivalent to an automated transaction system. When others see your video content, he will join your team. Recently, many netizens already joined my team. What I'm going to pick here is some elite teams. That is, if you I joined and don't want to do anything anymore, then you don't need to add my Telegram. If you want to make more money, you can add me on Telegram. Can be pulled below Live Good. Here is an explanation. This complete explanation. Live Good bonus system website. After we click to open the web page, we can see there are 7 bonuses here. Among them, what I just talked about is the second award. That is, this commission award. The most basic bonus. You get more than $2,000 a month. At the highest level, you can get more than $16,000 per month. With your continuous referrals, your level will continue to upgrade in the future. Your bonus will increase. The most significant benefits are in other awards. There is also an English explanation below. You can just quote this directly, because this official English explanation, it doesn't have any ads. The material I gave you, there are no ads either. Of course, for Live Goods bonus plan. Want to know more about bonus content? You can also come to my AI toolbox. Pull to the bottom. Here are the details of Live Goods bonus plan. It includes bonus program videos in English. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.